guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me.
I am back with another video. I was checking my email today and I got an email from Mule. But if you're new here, make sure you guys check out my YouTube channel. We recently reached 10K subscribers and I have lots of different videos answering your questions, showing you tutorials on different print-on-demand sites and podcast episodes. I'm going to go over to my email. And as I was scrolling, I saw an email from Mule. Mule basically says, hey, we have upgraded our color accuracy is near perfect, print durability increased dramatically, print resolution increased 3 times. So it says today, I don't know how long this is available, but it says get a custom black t-shirt for $9, free shipping, and they're looking forward to the feedback. They also have a free studio t-shirt template. We're going to go ahead and copy this link and go over to Google so we can check out this $9 shirt. So of course I've already purchased a shirt from Mule. I gave a review on the unboxing of it, and I also did a updated review on the Mule t-shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a large. Actually, let me sign in first. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. I'm gonna order a large. I believe I ordered a medium last time. I'm gonna go ahead and hit order now, and I have some different designs. I'm probably gonna choose one that has some color to it. I really like this shirt. I want it full force on this, on the front and center. It has some color in it. Has a little bit of shadows. If they've updated, then hey. I also have a credit, a $20 credit. If I want to use that, I would have to order more products, but they have the discount code on there that makes it $9. I am going to order this black shirt and I am going to unbox it once it comes, but I hope you guys are looking forward to this video. And the next part will be the unboxing of this new black t-shirt with the updated specs from Mule.
I decided to add this part in as well, as far as getting the email for the proof. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this is what happens. They send you a proof email and you get it in your text message, depending on if you have your number up. So I'm going to copy this link and open it in my Google Chrome to show you guys exactly what it looks like and how you approve the proof. So if you've never purchased anything from Mule, you always get a proof of the product before it goes to purchase. Here is the proof of the shirt with the design. Everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and hit approve. If you have any changes, of course, hit request changes. Say you don't like how far it is from the neckline. You can say, can you move this image up at least 2 inches closer to the neckline? Can you move it over to the right? Maybe you want to change it and put on a white shirt. Just different things like that. I'm going to go ahead and hit start production. Once you hit start production, they do go ahead and charge your card. Once that's done, then your order is gone to production. Again, like it says, your order is in production and will arrive by Tuesday, May 10th. You guys, once that comes in, I will do an unboxing of the shirt, as I said before. But I felt like I should have definitely gone over this before, but I think I've never been recording at the time that I had proof. You guys can see what the proofs situation looks like, how you get it in your email, and it says the same thing in your text message. This is just a quick view of what it looks like when you get a text email from Mule. I finally got my Mule t-shirt in and I'm here to unbox it. I'll possibly put on the screen when I ordered it, when it shipped, and when it arrived, because I don't have it right now in front of me. But my package came in a custom Mule poly mailing. And of course, I talked about how I created the shirt before. And I did an update on the shirt and the quality wasn't that great. You guys will see that the email said that they've updated the materials and all of that. I ordered a new shirt. I don't remember what it looked like before when it came, but it says wash before use, To preserve your print, always turn your t-shirt inside out and wash in cold water. So they've added that on there. I don't think I remember it having this little sticker on there either. On the sticker, it just says pre-treat 18-inch, and then it has a little picture of the shirt. I'm gonna open it up. This is a large, and let me see if I see the brand. I don't know. It just says Sticker Mule, printed in Amsterdam, New York, 100% cotton, nice quality. And here's the design. As always, this design comes out looking orange, but it's really supposed to be tan, and it's supposed to be more so of a color like this is gold, but this looks more brown. Other than that, this looks really good. The black and the white. The money signs on the nails are supposed to be purple, I think, on my initial designs. It may be purple. I have to check the design, but it looks really good. Of course, I'm gonna wear it and I'm gonna wash it, and then eventually in a couple of months I'll come back with a review for you guys. But this is the updated quality of the Sticker Mule t-shirt. Okay, there we go. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Thanks so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.